yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Seems like the plans they made for an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. Oh, I see fire and I see rain. I see sunny days that I thought would never end. I see lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I'd always thought that I'd see you again. You got to look down upon Jesus. You got to help me make a stand. Just got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is in hand. Lord knows I won't make it any other way. Oh, I see fire and I see rain. I see sunny days that I thought would never end. I see lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. I've been walking my mind to a easy time. I got my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. When there's hours of time on the telephone line, talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and fine machines and kisses on the ground. Oh, I seen fire and I seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Oh, I see fire and I see rain. I see sunny days that I thought would never end. I see lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again.